Are you ready to level up in your IT career? Ready to go from being a techie to a true leader? At futurecioclub.com, we understand the journey you're on. We know the challenges of transitioning from technical expert to strategic leader. But guess what? You have what it takes to make that leap. It's not just about mastering the latest technology or acing your certifications. It's about developing the mindset of a leader. It's about strategic thinking, effective communication, and the ability to inspire and motivate others. At futurecioclub.com, we're here to support you every step of the way, from personalized career coaching to exclusive networking opportunities. We provide the resources you need to accelerate your career trajectory. Join us at futurecioclub.com and take the next step toward becoming the leader you were meant to be. From techie to leader, your journey starts here.